Now we know that we can regroup 10 ones to make 110, and it's very useful in addition because the houses with ones, tens, or hundreds are very small. It can't contain more than one digit. So that when the sum of entities in each house is more than 9 or 10 or more or consists of more than one digit, so we need to regroup. If I have 248 plus 127, today we will learn how can I solve this addition problem without modeling or without making place value math. So first in addition, we know that I have first to put the places for each addend. I have here starting from the right, ones, tens, and hundred. And in addition and subtraction, I start from ones. So I have to add the ones digits first together, then add the tens digits, then add the hundred. If I moved here to my work mat, I will put the addends in their places and start addition from ones. Here I have 8 plus 7. If I put 8 in my mind and 7 on my fingers, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So here the sum of ones is 15. If you look at 15, it consists of 2 digits. And you know that the house of ones is very small. It can't contain more than one digit. And in this case, we need to regroup. This 15 is regrouped to be 110 and 5 ones. So now I can write these 5 ones here inside the house of ones, and I add one more 10 to the tens digits, as we did in the modeling or in the place value math. So here if I added one more 10 to the tens digit, this case is called carrying up. So here I wrote the first digit in the same house and I carry up the second digit to the next house. Now I have here 1 and 4 and 2 tenths. So now it's time 1 plus 4 plus 2. And they are the sum of tens. So here I have 1 plus 4, they are equal 5. 5 plus 2, put 5 in your mind and 2 in your fingers. After 5, 6 and 7. So it equals 7. So the sum of tens digits is 7. Here I don't need to regroup because they are less than 9. So I will move to the last house to add the digits inside. I have here 2 hundreds and 100. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So I can write 3 here. So now the answer is 375. And in this problem, I needed to regroup 10 of ones to make one new 10. And we know that this step is called carrying up. I write the first digit and I carry up the second digit to the next house. If I have here 19 plus 75, they are 2-digit number plus 2-digit number. And in addition, I have first to put the places for each digit. Then I have to start by adding the ones digits first together, then add the tens digits together. So if I moved to my workmate to make it easier, I have here 9 plus 5. Put 9 in your mind and put 5 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So the sum of ones is 14. If you look at 14, it consists of 2 digits and they are more than 9. So I can't write 14 as a whole here inside the one's house because this house is very small. It can't contain more than one digit. So what will I do? I will write only the first digit, which is 4, and I will carry up 1 over the tenth house because this 14 will be regrouped to 4 ones and 110. So here I will move this 110 over the tenth house. So I have here one flying bird. It will fly to be over the house of tens. So now I have 1 and 7. So here, to add the entities or the digits inside the tens house, I will say 1 plus 7. It's so easy now. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 7 equals 9. So the answer here should be 9. So that the answer is 94. And this is the meaning of carrying up strategy. What is carrying up? We do this carrying up when I make the addition in direct way, without drawing. I write the first digit and I carry up the second digit over the next house. As we can regroup 10 ones to make 110, we also can regroup 10 tens to make 100. And it will be very useful also in addition. And here I have 343 plus 285. They are 3 digits number plus 3 digits number. In addition, I have to put the places for each digit first. So I will start from the right. I have here ones, tens, and 100. And I have to start my addition from ones. So I will add the digits of ones first, then add the tens digits, then add the 100 digits. So if I moved here to my work mat, I will put each digit in its house and start my addition. I have here 3 plus 5. Put 5 in your mind and put 3 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is one digit number and it's less than 9, so I can write 8 here and I don't need to carry up. Then I will move to the tens house to add the digits of tens. I have here 4 plus 8. Put 8 in your mind, put 4 in your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my god, it's 12. So the sum of tens now is 12. It's 2-digit number. It can't be written here. Because the house of tens is very small. It can't contain more than 1 digit. And they are more than 9. So here I need to regroup the tens. So the 12 tens can be regrouped to be 102 tens. That's simply because 12 tens equals 120. Because if I removed these tens, I can put 10 instead. So here I have 102 tens. So now I can write the 2 tens here under the house of tens and add this 100 to the hundreds digit. And this is called carrying up. So here I wrote the first digit, which is 2, and I carry up the second digit over the next house. So now in the 100, if I added the digits inside, I have 1 and 3 and 2. And so easy to say that 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals what? I have here 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 plus 2 after 4, 5, and 6. So it equals 6. So the 100 sum here is 6. So now the answer is 628. And in this problem, I need to carry up here in the tens because I regrouped the tens to be 102 tens. And this is the meaning of carrying up. Now we can deduce that carrying up is the second phase of regrouping. So we need to make this step whenever the sum of digits is more than 9 or 10 or more or consists of 2 digits. So I write the first digit and carry up the second over the next house. So let's see the first example here. I have 674 plus 153. So first in addition, I have to put the places. I will start from the right. I have here ones, tens, and 100. Then I will add the ones digits together. Then I will add the tens digits together. Then I will add the hundreds. First, I will say 4 plus 3. Put 4 in your mind, put 3 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So I write 7 here, and the sum of ones is 7. I don't need to carry up here because they are less than 9. Then I will add the digits inside the tens house. I have here 7 plus 5. Put 7 in your mind, put 5 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So these 12 consists of 2 digits. I can't write the 2 digits here because the house of tens is very small. It can't contain more than 1 digit. So I will write the first digit only, which is 2, and I will carry up 1. 1 will be the flying bird to fly and stop here over the 100 house. So now I have in the 100 digits 1 plus 6 plus 1. And don't forget to add 1 to the digits of 100. I have here 1 plus 6 equal 7. And 7 plus 1 equals 8. So the answer now is 827. Second example is 286 plus 562. In addition, I have to start from the right and put the places for each digit. I have here ones, tens, and 100. Then I will start my addition from the ones. I have here 6 plus 2. Put 6 in your mind, put 2 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8. I don't need to carry up here because 8 is one digit number. Then I will add the tens together. I have here 8 plus 6. Put 8 in your mind. Put 6 on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14 is 2-digit number. It can't be written here, so I need to carry up. So I will write the first digit only, which is 4, and this one will be the flying bird. It will fly to be carried up here over the house of 100. So now in 100 I have to add one more to its digits. So I have 1 plus 2 plus 5. It's so easy. 1 plus 2 plus 5. I will add the first 2 numbers first, then I will add the third number to them. I have here 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So it equals 8. So the answer here is 8. So now the answer is 848. In some problems we may need to regroup in both ones and tens, and remember that here I'm trying to apply one more strategy which is called the carrying up. We add in direct way without drawing or without modeling. So if I have here 182 plus 239 to add in my work mat like this, I put the houses or the places for each digit, and I have to start my addition from right or from ones. I have here 2 plus 9. Put 9 in your mind and put 2 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11. If you look at this 11, it consists of 2 digits. And the houses are very small, as we said. So I can't write 11 here. So I will write the first digit only, which is 1. And what about the second digit? It will be the flying bird. It will fly and be here carried over the next house. So here this 11 will be regrouped to be 1 ones and 1 10. So here in tens digits I have 1 plus 8 plus 3. It's easy. 1 plus 8 plus 3. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 3, put 9 in your mind and put 3 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the answer is 12. Here's the sum of tens is 12. I can't write 12 here inside the house because the house is very small. What will I do? I will carry up. I will write the first digit, which is 2. And what about the second digit? It will fly to the next house. So here this 12 will be regrouped to be 2 tens and 100. So here in the 100 digits I have 1 plus 2. If I tried 1 plus 1 plus 2, it equals, I will add 1 plus 1 together first. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and this 2 plus 2 equals, after 2, 3, 4. So it will equal 4. So now I can write 4 here because it's one digit. So the answer is 421. In this problem, I need to regroup in both ones and tens. And I need to carry up over the tens and 100 houses. Here I have 337 plus 496. They are 3-digit number plus 3-digit number. I will start by putting the places over each digit. I have here ones, tens, and 100. And we will start from ones. I have here 7 plus 6. Put 7 in your mind and put 6 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the sum of ones here is 13. 13 is 2-digit number. So I need to carry up. I will write, and this one will fly to be carried in tens house. So now in tens, I have 1 plus 3 plus 9. If I tried 1 plus 3 plus 9, they will equal 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 plus 9, put 9 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 also. So the answer here will be 13. This 13 is 2-digit number, so it can't be written here under the tens house. So this 13 tens will be regrouped to be 3 tens and 100. So here I will write this 3 here under the tens, and 100. This one will be the flying bird to fly and be carried up over the hundreds house. So now in the 100 I have 1 plus 3 plus 4. If I said 1 plus 3 plus 4, it equals what? I have here 1 plus 3, it equals 4, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. So the sum of 100 now is 8. So the answer is 833. In this problem, I need to carry up in the two faces, and I regrouped in ones and I regrouped in tens. Addition equations can be written whether in vertical form or horizontal form, and they are both the same. So if I have here 27 plus 48, I can write it in vertical form like this, if you want to solve it in either way. And also we can solve it in this way or in the horizontal way. So if I say 27 plus 48 with the same steps, I will start by putting the places for each digit. I have here ones and tens and ones and tens. Then I will draw the line between the ones digits to add them together. Then I will add the tens digits together. First I have 7 plus 8. Put 8 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here I have to set the places for the answer. So I have the sum of ones is 15. This 15 is 2-digit number, so I need to carry up. I will write the first digit in the ones place, which is 5, and I will carry up 1 over the next house. The next house stands, so I will add 1 more 10 here. Now the sum of tens should be 1 plus 4 plus 2. If I said 1 plus 4 plus 2, it equals what? 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So here I have to write the 7 in the tens place. And I don't need to carry up, or I don't need to regroup in tens, because the sum is 7. It's one digit, it can be written here, and it's less than 9. So what if I have 217 plus 664? Here I have ones, tens, hundred, and ones, tens, hundred. Then set the places for the answer, ones, tens, and hundred. I have to start by adding the ones digits. I have here 7 plus 4. Put 7 in your mind, put 4 in your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So the sum of ones is 11. It's two-digit number, so I have to carry up. I will write this one here in the ones and carry up 1 over the next house, which is tens. So I will carry up 1 here. So I will add the tens digits. I have here 1, the flying bird, plus 6 plus 1. If I said 1 plus 6 plus 1 equals what? 1 plus 6 equals 7, and 7 plus 1 equals 8. It's one digit, so I don't need to regroup, so the sum of tens is 8. Then I will add the digits of 100. So I have here 2 plus 6. Put 6 in your mind, put 2 on your fingers. After 6, 7, and 8. So the sum of 100 is 8. And the answer is 881. Here I need to regroup in ones. And I can also solve this problem in vertical way like this. They will be the same. Examples for adding 2 and 3 digit numbers with carrying up. The first example is 17 plus 35. It's 2-digit number plus 2-digit number. So first I have to start from the right and put the places for each digit. I have here ones and tens. So I have to add the digits of ones together, then add the digits of tens place. So first I have 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Put 7 in your mind and 5 in your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These 12 consists of 2 digits. It can't be written here in the ones house. So I will write the first digit and carry up the second. So here I will write 2. And what about 1? 1 will be the flying bird. It will fly and be carried up over the next house. So I will carry up 1 here over the tens house. Here I have 1 plus 1 plus 3, because now I'm adding the digits inside the tens place. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the answer now is 52. Second example is 34 plus 58. I will put the places for the digits. So I will start from the right, and always we start by order from the right, ones and tens. Then we will add the digits inside the house of ones first. I have here 4 plus 8. Put 8 in your mind and 4 in your finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the sum here is 12. And we said that this house is very small. It can't contain more than 1 digit. And 12 is 2-digit number. So I will write the first digit and carry up the second. So here I will write 2 and carry up 1. So 1 will fly to be here over the next house. And now it's time to add the digits inside the tens house. I have here 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 plus 5 equals 9. So the answer now is 92. This example I have 253 plus 484. They are 3-digit number plus 3-digit number. So as we said, we will start from the right and put the places. I have ones, tens, and 100. Then I will add the ones digit together. I have here 3 plus 4. Put 4 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I write 7 here in the house of ones. I don't need to carry up because it's only one digit number, it's less than 9. Then I will add the digits inside the tens place. I have here 5 plus 8. Put 8 in your mind and 5 in your fingers after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 is more than 9. It consists of 2 digits. So what will I do? Here I need to carry up. I will write 3 and carry up 1. So 1 will be carried up over the next house, and the next house is the 100 house. So here I have 1 plus 2 plus 4. Don't forget to add 1 to the digits of the 100. So here I have 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the answer now is 737. Example number F. 402 plus 247. They are 3-digit number plus 3-digit number. So I will put the places first. To set the places, start from the right and put ones, tens, and 100. Then we will add the digits inside the house of ones first. 2 plus 7. Put 7 in your mind and 2 on your finger after 7, 8, and 9. 9 is 1-digit number, so it can be written here without carrying up. Then I will add the digits inside the tens house. I have 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. And remember that 0 plus any number equals itself. And here I don't need to carry up because 4 is 1 digit, so it can be written here. I don't need to carry up. Then I will add the digits inside the 100 house. 4 plus 2. Put 4 in your mind and 2 on your finger after 4, 5, and 6. So I will write 6 here under the house of 100. And in this example, I didn't need to carry up. And the answer is 649. Estimate, then add. Here I have 560 plus 285. I will add to get the actual sum. Then I will estimate using the two methods we learned, the front-end estimation and rounding estimation. First, I will add. Here I have 560 plus 285. So I will set the places first, starting from right, ones, tens, and 100. Then I will add the digits inside the ones first together. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Here I don't need to carry up, it's only 1 digit, so it can be written here 5. Then I will add the tens together. I have here 6 plus 8. Put 8 in your mind and 6 on your finger after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So the sum of tens digits is 14. It's more than 9, and it consists of 2 digits. So I will write the first digit, which is 4, and I will carry up 1. 1 will fly to be carried up here over the house of 100 or the next house. To add the digits inside the 100 house, I will add 1 plus 5 plus 2. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 6 plus 2 equals 8, because after 6, 7, and 8. So the answer now is 845, and this is the actual sum. Now it's time to estimate. I will estimate using the first method, which is front-end estimation. And in the front-end estimation, I look only at the end digit or the last digit. The first addend here is 560, so it will be estimated to be 500. And the second addend is 285. I will look at the last digit, which is 200, and it will be estimated to be 200. Now I have 500 plus 200, and it equals 700. And if I estimated using the rounding estimation, in the rounding estimation, I can't take the decision only using the last digit, but the 500 will look at its neighbor, which is 6. 6 is strong or weak? 6 is strong, so it will give power to this 5 to be 1 more, so it will be estimated to be 600. And 285. Here I want to estimate it to the nearest 100, so our leading digit is the 200. It can't take the decision alone, so it will look at its neighbor, or the digit to its right, which is 8. 8 is strong or weak number? It's strong, super. So I will add one more to these two to be estimated to be 300. Now I have 600 plus 300 and it equals 900. So the estimated sum using the front end estimation is 700 and the estimated sum using the rounding estimation is 900. And we will find that rounding estimation is more accurate than front end estimation because 900 is nearer to the actual sum, which is 845, than 700.